without your support, hanggang ang progress of the munisipyo di natin. Tamo tayo, nakal di gobyerno, nakabilang di temporary nga natulog, at nakalimot lang di masunod without your support, hanggang ang paling Moreno, at ating pati municipal officials, mga support the community na trader, awat mga mangyari. So, we would like to thank each and every one of you for your support.
Our roots, our beginnings, where we trace our identity, who we are as people, taga La Trinidad. Truly, La Trinidad through the years may manifest its vibrancy as a place and as a home. We trace our identity to our descendants who were very much aware in doing good to others in order for them to be blessed.
On this 74th Foundation Day, we celebrate not just the years of existence, but also the enduring spirit and unwavering resilience of the people of La Trinidad. From its humble beginning, since its conversion into a regular municipality in June 16, 1950, by virtue of Republic Act No. 531, La Trinidad has become a vibrant and thriving LGU.